Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting ice cream using a box mix. And today we are making a delicious brown sugar and cookie dough ice cream, so stick around while we make something boxed, but better. The first thing to do is prepare your cookie dough. Most grocery stores sell a cookie dough that is labeled as safe to eat raw. If you cannot find those, however, you can make this simple recipe with 3 tablespoons of butter, 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1/8 cup of chocolate chips. Mix all of these ingredients together until it is soft and creamy like a regular cookie dough, and then we are going to spread it out on a piece of parchment paper and stick it in the freezer. The thickness of your cookie dough is all about personal preference. You can make it as thin or as thick as you would like. Cover your dough with parchment paper and roll it out nice and smooth, or just press it out gently with your hands. Either technique is totally fine. And fold up the edges of your parchment paper and place your cookie dough into the freezer while we make our ice cream. If you have a store-bought cookie dough, you can do the same method or even chop it up in little pieces with a knife. Freezing your cookie dough is key because it helps the cookie dough chunks to incorporate nicely into your ice cream. The ice cream itself is very quick and easy to make. In a large bowl, you are going to add 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and look at that cute little island we made, and 1 small box of instant vanilla pudding mix. Mix that all together on a medium speed until well incorporated. The key is to make sure your brown sugar completely dissolves into your ice cream mixture. Pour your ice cream mixture into your ice cream maker and use it according to the instructions on your ice cream maker. The churning time varies depending on the ice cream maker, but mine prepared the ice cream in about 45 minutes. While your ice cream churns, it is time to prepare your frozen cookie dough. You can chop it into pieces with a knife or break it by hand into little bits for a more organic shape. For my ice cream, I decided I wanted a combination of large and small cookie dough chunks. After you have finished breaking your cookie dough into pieces, place it into a container and return it to the freezer so that it does not soften while you wait for your ice cream to churn. This part is optional, but I added some chopped up bits of chocolate into my ice cream as well. It is best to add this when your ice cream has thickened at least halfway so that it does not sink to the bottom while churning. Add your cookie dough toward the end of the ice cream production. Your ice cream needs to be thick enough to be able to handle the weight of the cookie dough without it all sinking down to the bottom. I also recommend adding your cookie dough in intervals so that it can mix more evenly into your ice cream. And remember, this is your ice cream, so you can load it up with as much cookie dough as you want. You can eat your ice cream immediately if you are a fan of soft serve consistency, or you can put it in a freezer-safe container and let it firm up for a couple hours in the freezer before serving. One of my favorite things about using an instant pudding mix in my ice cream recipes is that it helps to keep the ice cream soft even when it's been in the freezer for several days or even a couple of weeks. And there we have it, our delicious brown sugar and cookie dough ice cream. Thank you for joining me. I had a lot of fun and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below and I will do my best to answer them, and I will see you next time on Boxed But Better with Jenna. Alright. Who wants to lick this off?
It's cold.
It's ice cream.
I didn't know it was ice cream.
What have I been making this whole time?